Hello my viewers, welcome today to my YouTube channel. My name is Proxy as usual. Thank you all for always staying in and help support my channel. Today I am here to help out on giving some tips on how to make some money on YouTube, make some money on anything that you can actually use on the internet to make money, because now so many are not going out, so many jobs have been terminated, businesses are not moving the same way that they used to be. So one has to devise means how to get more money in different other ways. So I have some tips and I hope you will enjoy. One, you can actually promote what you sell. If you have anything that you're selling, you can actually promote it online. You can post it on Facebook, you can post it on your status, you can post it on your Instagram. You can also have a website and you promote it. You can pay small money and you promote it. Or you can also on your website you can put in that you require people that are going to promote your business, and then in so doing people will fill in their information in the form that you put at the bottom of your page, and they will promote it. If you want, then it will be easy. You give them some commission, which is going to make them affiliates to your business. So if in case you don't have anything to promote, you don't have money, but you want to make some money, you can equally become an affiliate. There's so many companies, over like 80% of the companies are willing to actually offer affiliate programs for people that are like you, like me, like any other person there that is looking for anything else to add on their own hustles. So you can go to the companies. I'm going to give you some of the names of the companies that you may go to if in case you're just a beginner. And being an affiliate with them, you are going to be able to bring customers to them, and once you bring a customer, you may be able to get like 20%, 10%, 30% on what the customer pays in, depending on how much the company wants. The company, every of them have different commissions. So once you go to their websites, you will see I'll put some links there on my description box on this video, and I will also be sharing some more details about how to make money online using affiliate programs, and also how to promote those affiliate links that they'll give you. Once you log in, they'll give you a personal or a custom link for you to sell it or to promote it through your own personal applications like Instagram, Facebook, or you can have a website and you promote them. And the more you promote and bring in customers to them or clients to them, the more commission you will be privileged to get. And I hope that's some interesting news, most especially in this lockdown. Everything is quite tight, I would say. So in case you appreciate the information I just gave to you, please care to like and subscribe, share if you will. Thank you, and I hope to see you in my other video. Comment below if there's anything that you may want to ask or you may want me to talk about. Thank you.